As some of you know, I'm starting a little solo road trip adventure from Durban to Joburg and stopping off in a few places along the way. I've got a road trip playlist of music from the movies, in fact, and I'm going to be playing a few clips for everybody, and I'd love for you to participate and in the comments guess which movie the song is from, and you're not allowed to Google it. So the first clip will follow shortly, and I look forward to having some fun with you guys. So cheers.